Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a QR code for a website link. First of all, we open a web browser. Once it's open, go to the search bar of that browser. Here we will search for QR Code Monkey. After typing QR Code Monkey, just hit the Enter button. A new page will be opening in front of you. Once it's open, here we will click on the first link. So click on it. After clicking, a new page will start to open in front of you. Once the new page is opened in front of you, here you can see this is a website where we can easily create a QR code for a website link. First of all, we go to the URL section and click on it. After clicking, a new page will be open. In this page, first of all, we write the URL of our website. After typing the URL, here you can see this is the URL of my YouTube channel. Then go below and here you will see a button of Set Colors. Click on it. After clicking, a new page will be open. In this page, we can easily choose the color of our QR code and background color of QR code. I will not change both of them. After that, go below and here you will see a button of Add Logo Image. Click on it. After clicking, a new page will be open. In this page, you can upload an image of your site logo. So click on that Upload Image button and here we will choose the logo of our channel. So double click on it and it will be uploaded automatically. If you want to use these logos, you all can use it. After uploading the logo, scroll down right here and here you will see a button of Customize Design. Click on it. After clicking, a lot of designs are available. You can choose anyone for creating a QR code. And then scroll up right here and here you will see a button of Create QR Code. Click on it. After clicking, your code will be created and on the right side of that button, you will see a button of Download PNG. You can easily download it as PNG, SVG, PDF, or EPS. That was a way to create a QR code for a website link. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.